This is a problem worked through for problem 139 in lesson 4.4, simple collision calculations, dealing with elastic and inelastic collisions. Now, as always, we start out with our laundry list, but the first thing we have to do is we have to look at this problem and determine if this is going to be elastic or inelastic. And the key to that is to always look and see whether or not the objects stick together or if they separate after the collision. So a 0.5 kilogram snowball moving at 20 meters per second will strike and stick to a 70 kilogram man standing on the frictionless surface of a frozen pond. What is the man's final velocity? Since this says sticks, we know that they are going to combine together. So we are going to use this formula for an inelastic collision. So that means that we've got a snowball that has a mass of 0.5 kilograms. It has an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. We have a man who has a mass of 70 kilograms, and he is standing still on the frictionless surface of the pond. So his initial velocity, VI2, is going to be 0 meters per second. But now the combined mass, the total mass of the final object is going to be the man plus the snowball. So that's 70.5 kilograms. And then the total velocity is our unknown, right? That is the velocity of the combined object. Now, yes, it's referred to as the man's final velocity, but the snowball sticks to the man here, according to the problem. So our formula is m1 VI1 plus m2 VI2 equals mt VT. So let's plug in all of our numbers. So m1 is 0.5 kilograms. Initial velocity is 20 meters per second. M2, we have 70 kilograms. And an initial velocity of 0 meters per second for the man. And that equals a combined mass of 70.5 and an unknown final velocity. So 0.5 times 20 gives us 10. 70 times 0 gives us 0. And then we have 70.5 times VT. So we're going to divide both sides by 70.5. And I can just ignore this 0 because it's not going to change this. So 10 divided by 70.5 gives us 0.14 meters per second is the final velocity of the man on the pond. So he's really not moving that fast, even though the snowball was thrown at a pretty good speed.